Sir.
I'm Dr. Chandrakant Shetty, Director, Vision Hospital. You all must be knowing Vision Hospital. We have started way back in 2012. In fact, I started my practice as a eye specialist in 8th November 2002. Had a clinic for 2-3 years. In 2006, I started a super specialty eye hospital. I can proudly say I am the only doctor, first doctor in Goa to start a super specialty eye concept. What I mean by super specialty, at my Vision Hospital, we are around 6 ophthalmologists. Each one does a super specialty work. Like I do only a cataract. Then we have a team of retina doctor, Dr. Sachin and Dr. Neil. Team of a glaucoma doctor, Dr. Abhijit and Dr. Ritu Chaudhary. Oculoplasty doctor, Dr. Audrey. Pediatric ophthalmologist, Dr. Milind Killedar. So each branch there is. In 2012, I started a multi-specialty hospital. The main aim of Vision Hospital, starting a multi-specialty hospital, is to provide affordable and quality service under one roof. Though we are trying our best to give the corporate service, our treatment or whatever other things falls in like an individual proprietary hospital, rather billing I will put it. Today is like the important step. Today we have partnered with Sunrise Oncology Center. Sunrise Oncology Center, which is its main branch, is in Mumbai. And they have many centers. They have got already one center in Goa in Aster Hospital. Now this is their second center. The main aim of starting a Sunrise Oncology is to provide a comprehensive oncology care. In Vision Hospital, we have got already 2 onco-surgeons. One Dr. Pawan Rane, who has already passed out from Tata. He's been working with us for last 4 years. One more doctor 1 year back joined, Dr. Adish Palekar, who is an MCH onco-surgeon. But here we used to do only surgical part. There was after follow-up, there was no treatment like chemotherapy treatment, whatever medical oncology say, that treatment was not there. We had to refer to GMC or some other hospital. Now, with the tie-up with Sunrise Oncology, we will be giving this treatment. And this full floor is the 5th floor of Vision Hospital. It is dedicated to daycare oncology center. So Sunrise Oncology Center, their team, around with me is Dr. Prabhas, who is a HOD of medical oncology in Tata Hospital. With me, Dr. Ashray is there, Dr. Bharat Bhosle is there, who are partners in Sunrise Oncology Center. Both are ex-consultant from Tata Hospital. So this is full team is from Tata Hospital. They will be visiting Goa every weekly or every 15 days and full treatment they will be taking. Now how they will manage this oncology center further on, I will hand over to Dr. Prabhas, who is a director at Tata Hospital. Dr. Prabhas is a well-known faculty who is known not only nationally but internationally. They have got a lot of publications to his credit. Both these consultants, they are well known not only in Mumbai, they are known in full India and outside India also. Hand over to Dr. Prabhas.
Head of Department Medical Oncology at Tata Memorial Hospital, and I need to congratulate Vision Hospital and Sunrise Cancer Center for coming together to provide comprehensive cancer care in Goa, which has been huge unmet need for this area. I have known my colleagues in Sunrise Cancer Center for last many years, and I do know that they provide comprehensive and compassionate cancer care at the center which they are working in, they're driving it and improving upon. I am sure in Goa also this partnership will deliver the comprehensive and compassionate cancer for the patients here. Why it is important is because cancer is an important problem, considering that overall in India looks like non-infection cases is on rise as compared to infection. Cancer is one of the non-infection causes for morbidity and mortality. So for that cancer number increasing, we need to have centers with good infrastructure and with the trained manpower. And important what I use the word comprehensive and compassionate, meaning that there are multiple aspects of cancer care apart from only providing treatment, which is integrated in this concept of providing the comprehensive cancer care and the compassionate, because we have patients with all strata coming up for cancer care, which this partnership will be able to provide. So my best wishes to this partnership to flourish in Goa and all around.
Ashay Karve, Director Sunrise Oncology Center, which is currently operational in Mumbai, Thane and Goa. First of all, I would like to thank you, Dr. Kumar Prabhash, Head of the Department of Medical Oncology and Professor, well-known researcher, for gracing this occasion, which is an auspicious beginning, I will say. And I would like to thank you, Dr. Chandrakant Shetty and Team Vision, for providing this platform for whatever the good cause we are actually, as a team, we are planning to do in Goa. So as Dr. Kumar Prabhash sir has rightly pointed out, cancer is just not increasing in India as well as globally across. And now we have realized that it is one of the major health problems. In WHO, we have various, we have themes every year. And one of the themes was sitting is the new smoking. We always know that, smoking, tobacco, all these things, they can cause a cancer. But again, obesity and other things, they also can cause a cancer. So these are the most vital, important things which we are noticing. Most important thing is that when the obesity, the commonest cancer which we look is in females, breast cancer, the ovarian cancers, and even in the males, the colon cancers. So all these cancers are very common. And when we actually reviewed the literature from the Goa, definitely we do not have a very concrete registry so far. But whatever the literature which we have reviewed, the stomach cancer is one of the commonest cancer in Goa. Again, head and neck cancer, which are common cancers, the colon cancers, in female, the breast cancers. So majority of these cancers can be identified at an earlier stage, number one. And if we could identify at an earlier stage, we can cure them completely. See, the traditional myth is there that cancer is not curable, which is no more actually valid. But the thing is that we have to create this awareness. So through Vision, as Dr. Kumar Prabhash and Dr. Chandrakant Shetty sir has rightly pointed out, it is going to be comprehensive healthcare. So it is not just aiming at coming here, seeing cancer patients and writing a treatment. It is just to even create awareness among the population in Goa about the cancer symptoms, how we can have a screening programs, how we can have early diagnosis, how we can have prevention. There's something that is called as a preventive oncology. So definitely Dr. Shetty sir is already having a very screening camps for cataracts, on even for the blindness. So using the same media, we can even have even the cancer screening camps. So definitely we are even vouching for that also. So over the period of time, we are going to have all these cancer awareness programs as well as cancer screening programs. Definitely again, they are also attached to many NGOs, and they have actually quite outreach, just not in Goa, again in the adjacent part of the Konkan belt also. So all these patients which are there catering, Vision Hospital already has that network. What as a Sunrise we have the benefit of utilizing the Vision Hospital's network and providing these services at the best. Here we are just as Dr. Chandrakant Shetty sir also, I was discussing with him, money should not be a hindrance to deliver this treatment to the needed patients. So definitely the Goa government also have a Deen Dayal scheme, which is really prominent to even deliver cancer care. Just not through the system only, but also we can have a team of social networks, NGOs, where we can provide this treatment at affordable price. So I'm not saying compromising the quality of treatment, but what I'm going to say, access to a quality care for everybody, irrespective of whatever their socio-economic strata is. So that is what is the main vision through this joint venture. I'm looking forward to serve the people of Goa through this venture with the Vision Hospital, and definitely looking forward for all of you to create awareness in the people of Goa and working from them in the future. Thank you very much.
Good question. Good question. So what we are doing here, since I am in practice for last 20 years, if you have noticed how I developed my ophthalmology practice, I must have done the maximum camp than any other private ophthalmologist. In fact, today morning also I did one camp at Venla Kanka. So when we go to this outreach camp, same camp time, I will make this awareness. Yes, we have started an oncology center. If possible, I take my oncosurgeon or oncologist, and all this awareness will be done. And I will be telling them, like, if you have these symptoms, you can come, you can do a health checkup where there are cancer markers are there. Okay, to detect. You ask that one question, is there any health checkup? So those are there. Or sir told you all the complaints from there. If you have a small ulcer in mouth, non-healing, problem with cancer is what happens. We have a lump or any problem, and if it's not giving pain, even the educated class forget about it. Believe me, last week one lady came, educated bank officer she came. Because she didn't have a complaint, lump in the breast, she didn't come. Now she came because she just found that, okay, so many days I will go and go. And believe me, now it is in grade 3 to 4 stage. Educated lady, very affluent. Not that money is an issue, nothing is an issue. So people are there. Our problem is there with all of us, including our doctors. See, why you think the awareness about heart attack and other increase? Now people, even if they have a gastritis, they go to the hospital. Please take ECG. Because they are aware of it. It can be heart attack. Previously it was not like that. People used to say, he was complaining of burning 2 days and now he got a massive attack. So what I am going to do, since we have a full team of a doctor, we are taking camps. I will be doing camp almost in every 4-5 villages and all. I am well connected to all these villages. I have a peripheral clinic in full Sindhudurga. We are trying to catch Sindhudurga. I have a clinic in Dodamar, Banda, Reddy, Vengurla. I have a hospital at Kuda, Savantawadi. So I can do this kind of thing very just like that, easy. So definitely awareness will reach. Go with us.
When you come to that, okay, this is the
See, that anxiety is very deadly. Sometimes no, people feel that no, मैं डॉक्टर के पास जाऊंगा तो कैंसर डायग्नोज होगा and then I will die. This is not only lay people, no, non-educated. I have seen it happening with the doctors also. They have kept the breast lump hidden and then no, that has already spread to other parts of the body. The main thing is that if you come to a doctor in right time, this can be cured. And this is possible. You know, science has evolved. In last 10 years, there are tremendous research has happened. What was not available 10 years back, which is available. And I am telling you, lung cancer, in 2005, there were hardly any therapies beyond chemotherapy. The survival was 6 months, 8 months, not beyond that. It was actually, a scientific thing I'm talking. And now, even stage 4 lung cancer, even with the brain metastasis, we have seen patients survive beyond 5 years, which was absolutely not possible. This is possible with research, and this is I'm talking about the advanced cases. But what is the beauty is if you detect in stage 1, you can actually label the patient as cured. Like as sir mentioned, diabetes, hypertension, we keep on taking tablets for years. We can't stop them. But in cancer, if you complete a therapy and label a patient of breast cancer, you are cured, they are warriors. They are not no more a cancer patient, they are survivors. And in a comprehensive cancer center, our job is to start from the preventive aspect and go beyond. Once patient completes the treatment, the rehabilitation is also important. Because the trauma remains on the mind, occupational. They needs to be placed in the society as if they don't have a cancer. So that confidence also has to built into the patient.